Jeffrey Flores. Court is calling 2024 CR 012214, State versus Jeffrey Flores. Can I have parties announced for the record? State.
Gary
Defense.
Chirac for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Flores?
No.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
We have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Flores, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We waive, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with theft of property, $1,500 with 2 or more previous convictions as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He is, Your Honor.
Mr. Flores, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. And I'm sorry, just one moment, off the record for a moment. Thank you. All right, did you review the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. There's a $2,000 fine. State recommends community supervision. There's to be restitution to the Dollar General store, if any. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
There are none, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, and no contact with the Dollar General store. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
Yes, ma'am.
State any evidence.
No objection, Your Honor.
State, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, if we could go off the record. All right, thank you. All right, thanks. Oh, it happens. Trust me, I've been there. All right, is there any amendments on the indictment for the state?
The clause number, what was it there? 117, the conviction date.
Ending in 7-3?
7/3, correct?
Yes.
April 5th, 2018.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, do you understand that's a substantive change to the indictment?
Nothing, ma'am.
All right, do you have any objection to proceeding with the state amending the indictment?
No, ma'am.
All right, then the request to, and I'm assuming counsel, you have no objection?
I have no objection,
All
Judge.
right, then the state's request will be granted, and thank you. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We'll wait PSI, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge, just the fact he does have new family support. He's married. His wife has been in court every day that he's been in court. I think she'll do a good job of keeping him in line. And he understands that probation is probably his last chance to avoid going to prison. Is that correct?
All right.
9 years clean and doing good for 9 years. So I've been doing my best, but I did fall off the wagon one time, and I promise that it'll never happen again.
Okay. 8. Do you have any children?
I got one boy,
Age?
5.
Does he live with you?
Yeah.
When's the last time you had employment?
I have employment still. I have my own, my own rollers home improvement. So we do anything from home improvements to like lawn to repairs to stuff like that. And I have 4 brothers, and we all work together.
All right. The court is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 4 years. There's a $2,000 fine that will be probated. Restitution, if any, to the Dollar General. And that's the store located at 114 Goliad Road. And there's to be no contact with any Dollar General. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or in the medical field or with minors. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order the theft course, CATS 1 and 2. Once he completes that, 100 hours of community service will be deemed satisfied. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once he completes that, the remaining 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be a TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow TAP recommendations. Probation. Is there anything else? 2 years suspended and probated for 4. All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
It is.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal.
Okay.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If you have an issue, let probation know. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. Do you understand?
Thank you so much.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
Good luck.
All right, who else? Jeffrey Flores? Hello. All right. Ready?
Yeah.
You all ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 012214, State versus Jeffrey Flores. Could I have parties announced?
And Brittany Sparks for Mr. Flores.
Are you Jeffrey Flores? All right, the last time we were here, you said that you were going to have an attorney. Are you having an attorney or are you going to proceed with Ms. Sparks? All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jeffrey Flores who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 012214 for the offense of theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions on February 2025 for a term of 4 years? Is that you? All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 21st day of March, 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Jeffrey Flores did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Violated condition number 4, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Jeffrey Flores did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of July, August, and September 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
State will waive the violated condition.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 2 and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 2 and 4?
I do not.
Court will find violations 2 and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion and sentence to 18 months.
Is that the agreement?
It is, Judge.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement? Are you waiving your right to appeal? And the court will sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. There's to be no contact with Dollar General store. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. And the court will request the therapeutic community. Oh, state, you may be excused. Did you review the trial court certification with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, Mr. Flores. If you don't make changes in your life, you're going to end up in prison. You know? If you have a drug problem, take care of
I was
it.
doing it for 10 years, almost 10 years.
Okay.
But it's just a bump in the road, you know.
All right, make better choices. And if you need help, I'm here, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right.
You have a good day.
You too. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes.